You got your memory seats. You got your child locks back here. Lock both doors back here with the child lock. You got the rear window, the rear right window, rear left window, front window, front window. You got heated mirrors, or you can adjust the mirrors and you can heat it. The rain sensors. This is the high beams. This is low beams. This is auto. This is off. This is to adjust the amount of light that you see in the car. This is the speedometer, where you can change the lighting on the speedometer, which if I do that, I don't know how that works, but it's not going down, but we ain't gonna worry about that right now. You got the paddle shifters, plus and minus. You got a nice feeling steering wheel with the Audi logo on it. You can adjust and go through, you know, the things on here like the compass, the directory, you know, what radio station you might want to listen to, or, you know, the cooling, all of that. Now you can do onboard computer. The average speed is 14 miles per hour. The distance driven, you know, all that amenities and stuff. You know, you go through all that, get 20 miles per gallon. Not sure what that means, but you get that. Assist, reduce, like display where it take off the speedometer and all of that. We ain't gonna do that. We're gonna keep that on. 180 on the dash. What you got? You got a little mouse pad right here you could surf through. See, mouse pad. This isn't touchscreen, which is kind of a bummer for me. I don't really like that. But we're gonna turn this music off before I get copyrighted. You have traction control off, the stability control and stuff off on sport. We gonna turn that back on because I ain't about to do it. We can do this, close this. I don't know what that is. Parking assist, where you get a 360 camera. This is the front camera. If I put it in reverse, which I'm not gonna do it right now, but if I put it in reverse, you get this whole 360 camera and some. The front cameras, this is the 360, this is the rear, and this is the rear too. Get off of this, go to car. We go to dynamic. Dynamic is like Audi sport mode, so we'll stay in that. Individual is like, individual is like your settings, which we already got that in dynamic, so that's kind of what that is. You go to auto. Auto is just like whatever like mood you in or whatever type of drive you want to do, you would choose auto. Comfort is when you want to just cruise, you chilling, you ain't really trying to go fast or anything like that. That's what you would use comfort for. So that's what that is. The vehicle settings, you got massaging seats, you can change the interior lighting, you know, the automatic headlights and stuff like that. Lights when car leaving on and all that stuff is regular stuff. Go back to car system. You got driver assist. Now you got the speed warning, you got the parking aid, which is the parking sensor that's right there. You have the heads up display, which I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know where is it. You can't see it right here, but it's there. What else? Car systems, my bad y'all, bear with me. You can change the speed of the AC. Let's go back. Service checks, tire pressure monitoring and all of that. We're gonna go back though. You can check the oil level. Go back, obviously. Services and all of that. Next oil change in 1,800 miles, 11 days, 111 days. Air tire, air suppressor and all of that. Wiper position, VIN number, all that good stuff. Let's go back. Now, when I get out of the car, I'm gonna show y'all this raise. Means. Now this thing right here is pretty good. I suggest y'all, if y'all have one of these, keep it low. It looks better low, way better. But we're gonna go to here. Let's go back out here, go to navigation, because I know some people like the navigation. You see the streets and all of that. Deacon, you know, you can go out farther. And this is all you get. If you zoom all the way out, you'll get way more. You get like the whole state. If it was 300 miles, 600 miles, and there go the globe. Now, ain't that something legendary? That's my dude, Tall Guy Car Reviews will say. And this was updated recently. Not old, this was updated. You could go all around this. So that just goes to show you how advanced Audi is at this moment. So, yeah, let's go. Let's go back. Go to menu. Oh, wait. Go to info. You got info. You can see where you're going, with all the routes you can take. All of that, man. You know what it is. It's Audi. You can get a phone in this car. You know, voicemail, phone number, enter the number. I enter the number. I could write it right here.
Q.
R. You feel me?
5.
Nope.
5.
3. You know.
2. 1.
You get the point. You dial phone numbers in here, all that good stuff. Play your media. Now, I don't have my phone on me. Do I have my phone? We connect. Let's see. I'm gonna give y'all a sound impression real quick. Hold up 1 second.
Rest in peace to all my fallen soldiers.
Sound impression.
Free my dogs. That's what we grind for, baby. That one. We worked hard for this, grind for this. Late nights in the trap stars for this. Take a risk, put our freedom on the line.
Y'all get the point though. This is a good system. Good sound system. Great sound system. Alright. So we at the door. Now with my seat back, I'm 6'5". This seat is all the way back. I'm gonna get that in a second. Got the Bose audio system. You got the sunscreen. You got the doors. The door suns block screen, whatever you want to call it. You got it on both sides. You got a vent at the top. Let's see. You got a rear sun guard, so you could really be extra presidential in this car if you think about it. Now this seat back, leg room is crisp. Nothing. You don't feel anything. This is like really like a presidential limousine. Like, you don't worry about space back here. I could put my feet all the way under there. Excuse my slides. Yes, I know my slides beat, but don't worry about that. But back here, leg room is straight. You got your little amenities. You got a 3-plug power port thing. Don't know what that's called. If I pull this down right here, you got heated seats. I can control the climate control. You got heated seats over there. Turn that off. There go the air conditioning. Let's turn that off. Got plenty of storage space. You want to put like a little laptop or a tablet or a phone back there. Same over here. Let's get out. You got your little mirrors up here. Full LED display in this car. Full LED. Let's close this door. Now, there's so much stuff I could go over in this car because it's so much to it. It just really don't. It's really just like a president's car. All right. Now, I got the AC on. I'm kosher in here. Ain't no problems. Ain't no some space problems. You know, it's just pretty perfect. You know, you can lock the doors from back here, unlock them. Roll the windows down, but I'm not gonna roll it down because I just washed the car. V8, twin turbo, 435 horsepower, 450 pound-feet of torque out of a 4-liter V8. What you mean?
They only talking too much. And it don't look like that. They ain't even got no urgency. Where the fuck is we going? Krispy Kreme? We're
Dunkin' Donuts.
What that at? Mm-hmm. The fuck was that?
That's right, man. No lie. You're not worthy. $1 because it is scraping. I wasn't about to do it the
You
first
know what
time I
Tez
picked
did.
it up.
Scrape that bitch.
All you hear is skrrr. I'm like, Tez, I told you, nigga. I fucking told you.
Do you feel a difference in the steering when I do that?
What?
Like when I
I
do
picked
this?
it up the first time.
Then I went over there to look
Nah.
at it. This nigga gonna
You
jump
know what?
on
I
the table.
forgot to put that shit back on cover. That's probably why that bitch was feeling different. Go back to work, fuck it. Oh my god, I got a 3-week check coming up. Hopefully I get 3 days. 3-day check. I got 3 weeks.
Gotta go meet my friends. Party, let's party. Yeah. Fun. Taylor likes penis.
Tez live
I
watching.
smile when I say that.
Cause I'm recording, you saying Taylor, like P, like man. Another thing, this car came with auto start stop. I believe that's what it's called. Help save a little gas, I guess.
Oh my